Netball is where we're starting, as the board of Netball Jamaica has voted unanimously to reject the resignation of national co-coach Sasha Gay Henry in a meeting which lasted until close to midnight on Thursday. Keon Rayner reports.
President of Netball Jamaica, Dr. Paula Daly Morris, on Friday confirmed with TVJ Sports that the board voted 10-0 not to accept the resignation of co-coach Sasha Gay Henry, who submitted same to the Secretariat last week.
We are not accepting her resignation because we think that there are other routes that we can take, and there are better routes that we can take that would be to the good of the sport.
In a statement to the media on Thursday, Coach Henry indicated that her resignation centered around the personal needs of her family and her increasing concerns about the continuing professional weaknesses in the administration of the sport. And the Netball Jamaica boss says the board has agreed to deal with those weaknesses.
Well, those discussions, whatever other elements to the resignation that were raised in the letter itself, will be dealt with. We are willing, well, we have started that process of talking to her about what she thinks should be the approach, and being a lot more inclusive.
TVJ Sports pressed the netball boss for clarity on whether or not Henry has agreed to withdraw her resignation.
And you are 100% secure that Sasha has decided that, hey, I'm no longer resigning, having said the board has said that we're not accepting, and so on and so forth?
Well, she's aware of the decision that the decision would be that we wouldn't accept her resignation. As I said, we consulted with her, so she's quite aware of the decision, and as far as I know, she's happy with it.
Henry could not be reached by phone for a reaction to the board not accepting her resignation on Friday. Dr. Daly Morris, who, like Coach Henry, indicated that the resignation had nothing to do with her pay package, was asked whether the co-coaching situation, which brought success at the Commonwealth Games with bronze last month, would continue.
As I indicated on Iron Sport, that's not a presidential decision. That's a decision of a committee of the board, and I'm sure that they will make a determination shortly, because I am to know that the committee has been discussing the matter. We will give you a release on that at another time, because I can't tell you what I don't know.
President Daly Morris says Henry and fellow co-coach Margaret Anderson will now turn their attention to preparing the Sunshine Girls for 2 series against Trinidad and Tobago and then England, both to take place in October. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.